Drowning in paperwork, let's untangle the digital document dilemma. Jotform versus DocuSign. First up, form customization. Jotform shines with its drag-and-drop interface, offering extensive templates and conditional logic for truly bespoke forms. DocuSign, while capable, leans towards document signing, offering less form design flexibility. Think of it as more structured. Legality is key. Both platforms deliver legally binding e-signatures with audit trails. Next, integrations. DocuSign integrates seamlessly with enterprise systems like Salesforce and Microsoft, making it ideal for larger organizations. Jotform impresses with its extensive app integrations, connecting with marketing tools, payment gateways, and CRM systems. Let's talk money. Jotform's pricing is generally more accessible, especially for small businesses or teams with specific form needs. DocuSign typically comes with higher subscription costs, but offers more comprehensive enterprise-level features and security. Ease of use. Both are user-friendly, but Jotform might be slightly easier to pick up for form-building novices. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs. Choose Jotform for powerful forms and affordability. Select DocuSign for established brand and enterprise-grade solutions. Now go forth and conquer those documents.